What is up, fellow Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at a 6-ball shell kit by Dragon Fireworks called Whistling Buster. Go ahead and take a look at it. Got a small tube. Need some pretty small ball shells. See, because no effect. But these are supposed to be whistling, and I always like fireworks that whistle and then explode, kind of like Extreme Machine. Those are my kind of favorite effects. It has the whistle and then the crackle. There ain't nothing better than that in my opinion. But I know Dragons, the black box, if you can find the right ones, have salutes in them. This one obviously will not, because it's not the black dragon. But we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Dragon Whistling Buster 6-shot ball shell kit. Let's see what it does. 3 of the crackling Dragon Whistler Buster. Just one lit. Definitely did whistle. We got 2 more. Alright, went ahead and tied up the last 3 whistling bustlers. Buster. With crackling fuse on here, like these last 3. I like to squeal for them, but we'll see how 3 of them going off instead of just 1 at a time. So, we'll take a look. We got the 3 Dragon Whistling Bustlers.